So if you are a fresher and want to come into the field of data analytics, or if you are experienced and want to switch your domain to data analytics, so make sure to subscribe this channel because here we do not bring only job notification but also upgrade your skills. So hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Today we have a very big opportunity of a reference data analyst in the JP Morgan. So I hope everyone might have heard about JP Morgan. If not, let's first understand about the company itself. So JP Morgan is a software-based MNC company. It works in different sectors, for example, asset management, commercial banking, payments, private banking, and wealth management. So if you want to see more about JP Morgan, so I have mentioned the link in the description. You can check the website. So your job location is going to be Mumbai, Maharashtra, and it is a full-time opportunity. So here you will be working with the finance business analyst team for leading large-scale data, infrastructure, accounting, and standards and business process change management event. So your work will based on centralized program management and business analysis capabilities and targeted program governance and consistent application for the program management. It will include the system testing, change management practice, data acquisition, and credit risk platforms. So your main focus will be on leading requirements, gathering via grooming calls, supporting tests for the job technology initiative, metrics gathering report and data analysis. Now coming to the job roles and responsibilities. So you will help the team with driving solution for the business process, re-engineering activities along with creating and supporting document. Here you will be providing support for the oversight for the release plan, inclusion of the project or release scope, critical milestones, sourcing requirement, test strategy, execution and implementation checklist, and stakeholder activities. Here you will be assisting team with the documentation work and requirement gathering, coordinate Jira grooming, text execution and issue resolution. You will be assisting with tracking defects, root cause analysis. You will be facilitating of book of data quality issues, coordinating with stakeholders working groups to drive data quality issues through remediational lifecycle. Now coming to the eligibility and qualification. So if you have done bachelor's degree with 1 to 3 year of experience or project management, you can apply here. You should have basic experience of delivery of large to medium complexity programs. You must have good technical knowledge and using SQL and query generating. You must have understanding of finance and regulatory reporting processes. If you have any previous experience in finance, risk, reference data functions, you will get more preference. Excellent communication skills and presentation skills because here you will be dealing with the stakeholders and senior management. So if you think you have relevant experience and expertise, you can apply here. And regarding compensation part, so JP Morgan pays a very good compensation. So that is all in today's video. I hope you liked it. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.